Okay, so this next news is very, very bullish. So PayPal reportedly assembling crypto team in Ireland. Okay, so this is very bullish news because PayPal is like average Joes use PayPal. Okay, people know how to use PayPal. People use it every day. It's payment processor, and it's huge. Okay, and if PayPal doesn't get in the cryptocurrency space and it start using blockchain, it will die because this space is innovating, evolving very fast, and cryptocurrency and blockchain projects have instant transactions and basically zero fees. Okay, and if like PayPal doesn't integrate blockchain in its like product, they can't survive the competition because the competition is going to be crazy when the blockchains like really start gets established. So global payment provider PayPal is the processor is in the process of recruiting for several cryptocurrency related positions at its Ireland offices, further highlighting the company's ambitions in the rapidly growing digital asset market. Yeah, so they really have to get on the trends because if they don't, it won't survive. Okay. This is very interesting news and very bullish, very bullish. Like in the, it's very bullish. Okay. Let's jump on the next news. Comment down below what you think about PayPal. Like, do you like PayPal? I like PayPal, but there's some fees that they're just the fees are brutal. Okay, I mean it's just crazy. But anyway,